technology right now. No? Ang daming binabago, ang daming nababago because of this technology. And siguro, many of us, no, ay gumagamit na ng mga applications na to, no? From Waze, Google Maps, no, Face Unlock, Face Recognition, MiniChat, CapCut, and of course, ChatGPT, no? You are already exposed or using AI. But the question is, are we really making money using this technology? Siguro kung si Sir Darwin is ginamit po niya yung Sono na AI music generator, even if walang masyadong background si Sir Darwin, ay pwede siyang maging composer because of this Sono. And then kung maganda naman kung in-upload ni Sir Darwin doon sa Spotify at nag-hit, no? Daming nagda-download, so kikita si Sir Darwin, no? And of course, kung gumamit tayo if you are an online marketer, you're using MiniChat to automate your replies, pwede ka namang kikita rin. Problema lang, ang daming challenges ngayon sa Facebook marketing. And that is why, no, we introduce Aurum, no? So welcome to Aurum Foundation. Oro means gold in Latin, di ba? Sa Spanish, that's oro. But in Latin, aurum is gold. And our company is Aurum Foundation, no? Ang daming mga naglabasan ng mga companies ngayon, but please take note of our company. Our company is Aurum Foundation. Now, what is Aurum Foundation? Yun po yung kailangan nating malaman. Kasi if we want to do business, we need to know ano yung company that we're going to partner with. So Aurum is a decentralized, no, fintech company. Now, decentralized means it does not use the traditional financial system. No, decentralized means we are using the blockchain technology, the crypto technology in our business processes. And fintech, it means financial technology company. So we are in the finance company. So, and we are not a typical finance company because we are a technology-based finance company. So, what are the example? What are companies na fintech dito sa Pilipinas? One good example is GCash or Maya. So, GCash is a fintech company but centralized. No? Centralized siya. And then ano ba yung mga services na ma-avail natin sa mga fintech company like GCash? We can send money person to person. We can pay bills, no? We can pay yung sa mga grocery store, even in the hotels, sa mga restaurant, no? And we can even buy insurance. We can even do trading or crypto trading sa mga fintech company na yan. So it's all about money, no? It's transmission of money and yung pag-grow ng ating pera. Kaya lang ang kaibahan natin, we are into uh, crypto world. No? We are into the blockchain technology. So bakit blockchain? Kasi AI is one of the major trend in technology today. And cryptocurrency is also a major trend in the finance industry. No? Uh, in fact, si Donald Trump ngayon, no, is pursuing a legislation to protect, no, the crypto business in America even after his term. Gusto niyang hindi mando yung mga legislation na gagawin for the US kasi ang mga companies before kasi nagsilabasan outside of the US because of the strict regulation sa mga crypto companies. But now, the US is attracting investors on crypto because the US want that USA will be the crypto hub in the whole world. So grabe yung positioning natin dito with Aurum, no? Now, ano ba yung mga products sa Aurum Foundation as a fintech company? So gumagawa sila ng mga innovative, no? Gumagawa sila ng mga innovative crypto products. So mga crypto-based products yung ginagawa nila. And also, they are developing AI-powered trading algorithms. Diba trading is also one of the one of the best opportunity that each of one can enjoy. Ang problema lang, if you are an emotional trading, wala kang masyadong background sa trading, baka malagas yung capitalization mo. So what Aurum did, no, is connecting the AI, the artificial intelligence, doon sa trading, no? So why spend so much time sa chart, no? Why risk our hard-earned money kung pwede pala, no? Gagamitin natin yung AI to do the trading for us, no? We can continue doing what we are already doing, at the same time kumikita tayo. Now, the goal is, no, isa lang yung goal ng mga products na to, no? To help us, no, accumulate and grow digital assets, because in that way we can achieve financial success, no? Regardless kung what type of financial goals yung gusto nating ma-achieve. Kasi each one of us has its own financial goals, no? Posible yung financial goal ko iba sa goal ni Coach Juperly, no? Posible yung goal ni Coach Lorna, iba din sa goal ni Coach Paul. So iba-iba yung ano natin, financial goals natin. But no matter what our financial goals are, rest assured na dito sa Aurum Foundation, pwede nating makumit yan, makuha yan. Okay? Now, the next question is the company registered? Guys, before investing your hard-earned money, kailangan nating malaman kung ang company ay registered. No? And then kung the company is registered, saan country po siya mayroong jurisdiction? Okay? Importante yan. Kasi pag hindi natin malaman, no? If the company is not registered somewhere else, that's a very high risk, no? Pwede maglaho yung investment mo in a few months, no? If we did not know, no, na ang company na yun is registered. So that is part of our due diligence dapat, no? We should not join a company that is not registered, no, in any part of the world. So Aurum Foundation is registered in Hong Kong, no, in November of 2024, no, with 1 million authorized capital. Now, yung address natin sa Hong Kong, ma-verify natin, no, pwedeng puntahan kung gusto nating puntahan. If you have connections near Hong Kong, so pwede nyo i-send yung website natin para ma-check, no, kung totoong may opisina doon sa Hong Kong. So bakit Hong Kong? Because madaling mag-open ng global business doon sa Hong Kong, no? It's a friendly for a global market. And a year later after that, they also opened an office in Dubai, no? And ito yung address natin in Dubai, no? 1806 The Exchange Tower, Business Bay, Dubai, no? At matrace din natin yung registration nila, no? Dito pa lang sa address na to, this is verifiable. Okay? And makikita natin on this image, no, on the right side, mayroong picture, no? They are group of Filipinos na talagang pinupuntahan yung Dubai office natin, and they met one of the co-founder, no? The third person from the left, which is Ahmed Zen, no? So this is verified, no? Napaka-important yan. And aside from that, no, since Aurum is a multi-jurisdiction company. So, meron tayong office not only in Hong Kong, in Dubai, we also have a registration or jurisdiction in Poland, no? Meron din tayong jurisdiction sa British Columbia, no? Canada. So right now, no? Four countries na meron tayong jurisdiction, and next year, no, their plan is to enter the largest market and most influential one, which is the US market in terms of financial technology market. And their plan is to enter US market by 2027. No? So this year they are preparing all the documents, no, lahat ng mga documents na kailangan, no, to be registered in the US. And that is why, because the US market is so strict, no, hindi basta-basta makapasok doon, no, Aurum Foundation temporarily block, no, the US market Kasi pag nalaman tayo sa US na hindi pa tayo registered, and some of their of their citizen nag-invest na ng oro, baka mahirapan tayo magkukuha ng license doon sa used market. So what about the Philippines? No? Sabi ni Sir Mars, one of our mentor here sa Orom, the Philippines is also under their radar. Kasama yan sa plano nila yung Philippines. We don't know when, but it is included in their plans. Kasi guys, we have this coming product, no? I-mention natin yung mga coming products na talagang kinakailangan na marehistro tayo sa Pilipinas para pwede tayong maka-access ng mga products na yon. Okay? Now, the next question is, who are the people running the business? Yeah? Maganda yung company, no? Registered yung company. Pero sino naman yung mga taong nagpatakbo ng operations? Napaka-importante din yun. Now, guys, we're so lucky that the person leading this company is no other than Brian Binson. Brian Binson is a former finance director for Latin America. No, the expansion in Latin America, no, it is because no successfully and because of this man, no. Brian Binson is a pioneer in Web3 at meron siyang 27 years of experience, no, in crypto, blockchain, no, decentralized finance across global markets. And sabi niya, Binance became a fintech unicorn, meaning to say, ang asset nila is more than $1 billion in just 1 year. But in Orom, sabi ni Brian Binson, we will take a more conservative approach. No, our target is to become a fintech unicorn in 3 years. And guys, later on, you will know the numbers. We are halfway to becoming a fintech unicorn. So Brian Binson is known, no, in the crypto world, and he is also one of the key speakers sa mga major crypto events in the whole world, no? In fact, ang Token 2049, this is I think one of the biggest crypto event ito every year, no? It was held in Singapore last October 1 and 2, 2025. Isa si Brian Binson of the key speakers, no? Kasama niya ang mga CEOs ng mga top companies, top crypto companies like Binance, Tether, KuCoin, and Tron. So lima sila yung key speakers at Token 49. And then Brian Binson is also one of the speakers, no, at Global Blockchain Show. He also one of the speakers of the Builders Roundtable. And most importantly, Brian Binson is a recognized member of Forbes Finance Council. So Forbes Finance Council is under the Forbes company, no, na kilalang kilala sa buong mundo. And then ang role ni Brian Binson in Forbes Finance Council, no, he served as an expert, no, advisor about AI, Web3, and scalable financial ecosystem. So may to si guys, hindi lang experience si Brian Binson in the crypto world, but he's also a visible guy dito sa industry na to. Okay? And look what happened. No? Dito makikita natin guys sa picture, no? Ito yung mag-asawa sila Sir Mars and Jeannie Lubido, no? They went to Dubai actually. They went to the office, no? And meet Brian Binson there. So, pag nakita mo sila si Ma'am Zini and Mars Lubido, parang nakita mo na rin si Brian Binson. This is part of their due diligence kasi ang dami na ring company na nasalihan nila na talagang nawawala lang kasi hindi nila malaman kung saan registered and they didn't know who are the people behind. And since, no, after they joined Orom, nakita nila, they think that this company is good. So let us check if they have an office and then we can confirm, no, the registration of this company. And so they did, no. talagang pinuntahan nila guys yung Dubai office and they meet this person. So dalawa yung na-meet nila doon, si Brian Binson and yung isang co-founder si Ahmed Zen. Okay? Now, aside from Brian Binson, no? With him is Andrew Isaacs, no? He's the CEO of Orum Foundation, and this guy has over 18 years of experience, no? As a managing director at Galaxy Digital and Morgan Stanley. Guys, Morgan Stanley is one of the biggest traditional bank in the US. On the other side, and ang Galaxy Digital naman and Evercore are financial technology company. So mean to say Andrew Isaacs ay mayroong experience both in the traditional banking and financial bank and crypto-based banking. So malalim yung experience ni Andrew Isaac. And also we have Ahmed Zen. Ahmed Zen is our marketing director and one of the co-founder, no? Yung pinakita natin sa first few slides wherein nandun yung pinakita natin yung Dubai office. So that person was Ahmad Zen, no? And on the right image is Shane Moran. He is the chief network development officer. Now as we speak guys, no? Uh This is Amidzin, no? Together with Amidzin, yung dalawang persons on the right is Sir Mars Lobido and his wife. They are now somewhere in Europe for a special leaders meeting, no? Sa mga leaders ng Orom Foundation. Okay. Now, ang dami pang mga people behind, no? People running the business of Aurum, no? Dami nila. Okay, so we have Nick Patel, no? Our RWA Relations Advisor. We have Bokkairi Kaloko, our Chief of African Relations. Kasi one of our product guys is gold. And Sierra Leone is a country wherein the mining company of our gold partner is located. No? So, dito pa lang kay Bokkairi Kaloko, he is a former finance minister of Sierra Leone. No? So, that's a very ano po, high level position. Now, suma total, no, the Aurum Foundation is founded or created by more than 35, no, top tier professionals with extensive experience in finance, blockchain, and AI-driven trading. No, galing po sila sa Binance. No, like Brian Binson and Morgan Stanley, IBM, Bitget, and OKX. Bitget and OKX guys, I just like Binance. No, they are trading platform. No, and of these 35 professionals, 8 of them are data analysts. No, 10 of them are software developers, and 7 of them are financial analysts, and each of them has 12 years experience in their respective field. And do you think, guys, that these 35 individuals form together to create a company that is designed to collapse? No, that is designed to scam people? I think that is not the case. No, so ito po yung achievements ng Aurum since their opening. So right now, they have more than 150, no, million dollars asset under management, no. They have 25 million plus dollars in arbitrage trading, and they have 8 products so far, and their numbers of users globally, no, ay umabot na ng more than 170,000. No? Dito sa Pilipinas, I think we are less than 700. No? Napakaliit pa lang natin dito sa Pilipinas, guys. And this is the future roadmap. So kailangan din natin saan pupunta itong company na to. Baka 2 months lang, 1 year lang, tapos na, wala na. Guys, our roadmap is up to 2035, no? So every now and then babaguhin to, but this is our roadmap for the next 10 years since the launch in 2024. So By 2027, target nila is to have at least $500 million asset under management. But as of last update ng company guys, held last month, actually the asset under management ng Aurum ay lumagpas na ng $500 million. That is $600 million na. And we are close to become a billion-dollar company. Di ba? By 2029, target nila is to be a $50 billion company. By 2033, to be a $100 billion company. And by 2035, to become a $150 billion company. No? So, that is our direction at nasa simula pa lang tayo. Okay? Now, ano ba mga products meron dito si Aurum Foundation? Kasi importante yung foundation natin na totoong registered siya and totoong run by real people, no? Publicly visible people. And the next question is the product. Ang mga product ng Aurum, mga marketable ba? No? How are they marketable? No? So first, we will tackle the first one. So they have an Aurum crypto cards. So ang crypto cards na to, this is the bridge between your crypto asset and the paper money. So pinabilis yung pag-access natin sa ating crypto wallet. So for example, si Coach Juperly mayroong $100 USDT sa card niya. So pwede siyang mag-cash in, mag-withdraw ng pera, no, in piso using that Aurum card to any ATM machine globally. And not only that, no, pwede rin gamitin ni Coach Superly yung card niya na may laman na crypto to buy items from the stores para ibayad ng bills sa restaurants, sa hotel. Kasi ang card natin, guys, is powered by Visa and MasterCard. Two big companies, no? Two big financial companies are partnering with Aurum, no? And ang result, no? Ang result is we can withdraw our crypto asset easily. So anywhere in the world. And then keep in mind, guys, Visa and MasterCard partnering with Aurum is something huge. It's something huge. Why? Yung Visa and MasterCard companies, no, hindi basta-basta yan mag-partner yan sa mga companies if they did not do their own due diligence. So ibig sabihin, before binigyan ng approval na magamit natin yung Visa and MasterCard, no, sa card natin, lots of documentations ang kinakailangan, no? No, the profile of the company, the financial status of the company, what are the products of the company, the future of the company, and who are the people running the business. So dito pa lang, no? Dito pa lang, we must be convinced that this company is really a legitimate business, no? So number two, Aurum Foundation ay meron ding exchange. So mean to say, pag sinabi nating exchange, we can also buy and sell crypto products, no? Just like in Binance, just like in CoinsPH, just like in OKX, no? Pwede din tayo bumili ng mga crypto assets dito sa exchange. Pwede tayo mag-scalping, no? Pwede tayo mag-holding, pwede tayo mag-staking, no? It's up to you. Kung ano yung purpose mo, ano mo yung goal mo in using our exchange. And the uniqueness of our exchange, guys, is that this system runs on a Polygon network. Pag sinabing Polygon network, no, napakababa ng transaction fees, napakabilis ng settlement, no? Yun po yung dalawang most important characteristic of an exchange running on a Polygon market. So third product, meron tayong tinatawag na RWA, no? These are real world asset na being tokenized, no, tokenized or fractionalized such that every person, no, ay pwedeng mag-invest ng mga real world asset. Now, our first real world asset product is gold. Meron tayong coming, guys, na real estate, but it is not yet available from our system. So ito lang muna yung introduce natin, no? Yung RWE Gold. No, when you invest in our RWA Gold, no? Napakaganda ng ating investment model, no? Tinatawag natin itong two-layered model or 50-50. So 50% of your investment ay pupunta sa real gold allocation at discounted ka 30%. So meaning to say the value of your gold is $65 is parang 65. Mamaya i-explain natin further. And then the other 50% goes to AI-driven gold trading. So tinitrade yung kalahati, no, ng investment mo. So at the end of the year, no, you can get your physical gold at the same time kikita ka at magkano naman yung profit, okay, per year. So ang minimum investment natin sa RWA Gold is $100. So remember 50-50, 50% goes to gold. Okay? Worth 65 na yan, no? Kasi discounted ka ng 30%. So, bali, ang nakuha mo na gold at the time of purchase is the worth $65, but it's only $50 yung binayad mo. And the other $50 goes to trading. At guys, ang kita natin per year sa trading na yan is 63.6%. No? 63.6%, almost double yung pira natin by the end of the year. At ang good news, no, yung result of trading, no, ay hindi after a year mo makukuha. Yung gold, guys, after a year mo makukuha yung real gold, but yung trading profit is credited to your back office every day. Makikita natin every day yung results sa trading, ang kita natin sa trading. And then at the end of the year, okay, that's around 63.6% profit. Then the higher is your investment, like $300, yung profit mo in 1 year is almost 66%. For $600, almost 68%. So the higher is your package, the higher is your profit per year, no? Almost 80% in a year, no? Guys, compare that to the bank, no? Or any traditional institution or financial instrument dito sa Pilipinas, no? No one, no one can give us this amount of profit in a year. Now, our fourth product, no, until we have meron tayong apat na trading AI agents or robot, no? No, these bots or robots are all AI powered. So walang katumbas ito in terms of real traders na mga tao, no? Kasi AI can analyze tons of data and they can execute, no? Trading so fast that hindi kaya ng mga humans. And that is why it is profitable because of that characteristic, no? The first AI natin is itong tinatawag natin na AXAI, no? This is fully autonomous, no? This is hands-free trading. Ang gawin lang natin dito is maglagay ka ng kapital, ay monitor every day the result, and withdraw your profit. And then this is proven for the last 2.5 years. No, 2.5 years proven itong AXAI. And this is the performance from February 2023 until January of 2026. If kunin natin yung average dito, guys, no, the average is 17.5% per month, no? 17.5% per month. The question, coach, makukuha ba natin 100% yung 17.5%? No, hindi. Kasi may company client sharing. Pag ibibigay natin 17 kung ibibigay ni company ang 17.5%, wala nakita si company sa trading. So, the minimum investment dito sa trading or investment capital is $100, no, USDT. And ang sharing po natin dito is 60%. And what is 60% of 17.5? That's 10.49%. Sabihin natin 10.5%. Guys, who can give us 10.5% every month consistently? Di ba? And then the bigger is your capital, like $250, maging 11.37 per month. If $1,000 maging 12.24% per month. So can you imagine may $1,000 ka kapital at kikita ka ng $122 per month? No, that's more than 7,500, no, na kinikita mo using AI. So naka-leverage ka ng AI. You have someone working for you. Parang ginawa mong empleyado si EXEI at si EXEI hindi magrereklamo. Even if he works overtime, walang overtime fee, no? Hindi siya mapapagod, no? And very consistent yung profit na ibibigay niya sa atin. For $2,500 na capital, that's 30%. For 5,000 trading capital, that's 14%. For $10,000, that is almost 15%. Guys, can you imagine kung may $10,000 ka at ilalagay mo dito? Your income per month is about 90,000 pesos. No? Sino ba o anong klaseng business na gawin natin dito sa Pilipinas na wala tayong empleyado at 600,000 pesos na yung kapital at pwede magbigay sa atin na 95,000 pesos per month? Di ba? The highest investment dito is $50,000 USDT and the client share is 95%. And our share per month is 16.62% per month. Di ba? And ang kagandahan ng AI na to ay mayroon siyang compounding features. So, what is meant by compounding? If your initial capital is $10,000, ang kita niya for the first month is 1,487, no? So, yung for 1,487, if you want or if you choose, kasi option nyo yan. By default, there's no compounding. Kailangan mo pa i-on yung compounding button for it to be compounded. So, kung i-compound mo, yung 1,487 mo, nakita in 1 month, i-add mo sa capital, so maging 11,487 yung capital. So, on the beginning of the second month, malaki na yung capital mo. And then, lalaki na rin yung interest, yung profit mo dito. And kung titinan natin na maigi, guys, for compounding, no? For compounding, your capital will double in 5 months. Diba? Lagay ka dito, real trading, real company. And after 1 month, after 5 months, your money becomes double. No? Pwede mo i-continue. No? After 8 months, your money becomes triple. Okay? If you continue compounding, after 10 months, your money becomes times 4. After 1 year, your money becomes times 5. And that is for the $10,000 trading capital. But if you start with 100, siguro yung 100 natin will become 200 in 7 months. Will become 300 in 10 months, most likely. And will become almost times 4 in 12 months. So it's up to you. Ang importante is meron siya napagagandang features about compounding. Okay? And let me explain, no, for the sake of transparency. Now, this particular AI ay meron siyang sariling operating regulations. So, ano ba yung mga regulations na yun? So, dapat natin maintindihan to. Now, the minimum withdrawal is $25. So, as soon as your profit o maabot ng $25, pwede mong i-withdraw kaagad. And the charge is only 1%. No, the charge is 1%, hindi 10%, hindi 12%. At may kasamang network fee. Napakamura lang network fee for BNB, no? So that's mga $1, no, na network fee. And guys, iklaro natin itong 35%. So what is meant by 35%? Now, our capital natin yan, di ba? Our capital, no, dito sa AXEI ay mayroong kontrata. 365 days contract, no? So, but it's not locked in. Ang pag sinabing lock in, hindi mo makukuha yung capital mo within 1 year. Sa atin naman contract, 365 days. Ibig sabihin, in case of emergency, kung gusto mong kunin yung capital kasi wala ka nang mapapagkunan pa na pera, dito na lang sa Aurum Foundation, so pwede mong i-withdraw mo yung capital mo during the first 10th, or 20th of the month. Kasi 3 times mag-on yung withdrawal for capital. Okay? So, if you withdraw your capital kasi may emergency and then hindi pa umabot ng 365 days, the company will charge 35% pre-termination fee. So, bakit ganon? Kasi guys, kalakaran natin. So, once you are referred by someone no to use EXEI for your trading, no, yung sponsor mo o yung person na nag-refer sa iyo will receive commission, no? Because they are affiliates or partners or agents of Aurum Foundation. So, nabibigayan ng commission, nabibigayan ng rewards. So, if you withdraw your capital right away, no, the company might suffer losses. Why? Kung walang charge, naglagay ka ng 1,000, si company nagbabayad ng commissions, ng rewards, at kinukuha mo yung capital mo after 2 days, lugi si company. No? So that's why the company imposes 35% termination fee if you really want to get your capital. Mas mabuti itong uh, system nito, napaka-fair compared to other financial companies like in insurance, no guys? If you paid insurance for more than 1 year at nagka-emergency ka, no, you will stop your premium at pupunta ka sa company, insurance company, and then you request to withdraw your payments, you cannot get kahit piso, no? Kung 1 year lang yung binabayaran mo. So sa real estate naman, pag nag-invest ka ng condominium and then after a year, or less than a year, nagkaroon ka ng financial problem, and then you stop paying the monthly due, and then gusto mong kunin yung mga nabayad mo na, so you will not get anything. Okay? Kasi for you to get a refund for a real estate investment, kailangan nakabayad ka na ng more than 2 years, no? Para maging protected ka sa Masida law. But in the case of Aurum, you still have full control of your fund. Kaya lang, mayroon nilagay na safety net for the company. So I hope that is clear. But kung wala namang emergency, ba't pa natin kukunin yung ating capital na nagbibigay naman sa atin yan ng kita every month or every day? Di ba? So again, that is just for the case of emergency. Now, the next AI agent we have is yung AXAI Pro naman. This is the Pro, the updated version. So what is the difference between this and the AXAI? No? Wala itong kontrata. You can withdraw your capital at any time. Medyo mas mababa lang ng konti yung return. No, napaka-conservative niya. Up to 10% lang yung kita natin. So, when I use this AI, think yung 2 times akong gumamit nito eh. So first time nasa 5% yung return, the next time nasa 6%. Hindi siya umabot ng 10%. And okay naman kasi ang nakalagay dito up to 10% monthly return. And the third EI that we have is yung tinatawag natin na Zeus EI, no? So the difference between this EI at sa dalawang EI na AXEI and Pro is that dito, pag ginamit mo to at nag-trade ka ng Bitcoin, ang kita mo Bitcoin. Pag nag-trade ka ng PP, ang kita mo PP. So, parang nag-collect ka ng mga different crypto assets. Unlike yung sa dalawa, yung AXAI at saka the AXAI Pro, ang kita natin doon is USDT. And for this Zeus AI, we can earn up to 15% monthly if we trade BNB, DADS, and PP. If we are trading BTC and Ethereum, up to 10% lang. And the latest EI na meron tayo is yung Nero. Nero is a non-custodial trading agents. So under Nero, mayroon yung mga sub EIs. And the first EI under Nero is tinatawag natin na Quantum Alpha. This is our first Nero AI, and then nasa beta testing ngayon. So beta testing means to say hindi pa ito fully available publicly, no, itong quantum alpha natin. But the result during the testing, no, the first month is 22%, second month is 28%, on the third month That's 31%. Kasi gumagamit ito ng mga aggressive strategy itong Nero agent. But still, no, this is fully automated and then wala itong 365 days contract. No, you can withdraw your fund, no, at any time that you want. No, ang kailangan lang natin ito meron kang active EXAI agent that is running. Okay? And the last one is our neobank. This is the digital banking system natin wherein pwede mo ma-download itong neobank sa Google Play, sa Apple Store, at ang ginamit ko dito is Telegram kasi napakabilis ang execution ng apps nito doon sa Telegram. So, the purpose of this neobank, no, this is a digital bank. It connects your assets, yung crypto cards mo, yung mga AI mo, no, yung wallet balances, pati yung live trading results makikita mo dito, at saka yung team mo if you are building uh, a team, no, dito sa Aurum. Okay, so that's the available product right now sa back office natin or sa ecosystem natin, but we have many upcoming products. One of them is the POS, no? Ang uniqueness ng POS natin is we can use our crypto card, no? Our crypto asset to pay, no? To pay bills using this POS system. And also meron tayong ATM machine, no? Coming crypto ATM machine that pwede kang mag-withdraw ng cash dito. You can also buy crypto from this machine. Now, paano naman natin ma-access yung mga product? No, ang daming magagandang product. No, lahat ng mga products natin ay designed to help our money grow, no, or for us to leverage our resources using AI. So paano ba natin magamit or ma-access yung mga products na to? So first, no, kailangan mo mabayad ng $19.99 yearly subscription. So Aurum Foundation is a subscription business just like Netflix, no, di ba? You cannot watch Netflix movies pag hindi ka nang bayad ng subscription, be it monthly or yearly. Ganon din dito sa Aurum Foundation. Kaya lang napakamura, napaka-affordable ng ating subscription, no, for only uh, $20 per year. And after paying that, you can access any or all of our products, no? And take note, guys, our product, no, will let your money work for you through AI driven trading. Okay? Now, sa 8 products meron tayo ngayon, saan ba tayo magsimula? No, ano ba yung uunahin natin? So, this is highly recommended. You have to invest first dito sa AXEI. Why? Proven na po ito for more than 2.5 years. Napaka-consistent, napaka-safe, no? At napaka-decent, no? Hindi siya masyadong mababa, hindi siya masyadong mataas. Kasi yung mga companies na nag-offer ng sobrang taas na monthly return na hindi natin alam kung saan galing yung kita nila ay nawawala na. Di ba? Yung sa atin naman is proven, no? Yung proven and consistent yung result natin. So again, you can start at $100 and enjoy 10.5% monthly profit. You can withdraw your profit as long as it reaches the minimum $25. You can also compound it. Pag i-compound mo itong $100 mo, maging 360 yan in 1 year. No? Maging 1,000 yan in 2 years. No? What about 3 years, 4 years, 5 years na no compounding? No? What about if, no, nag-start ka ng mas mataas na kapital dito sa bot na to, di ba? So, for the 10,000 investment, no, this result, guys, this trading result, galing po ito sa $10,000 account. Okay? So, as you can see here, ang profit per day sa trading, minsan $64, $74, $63, $52, may $45, $44. It varies because wala namang fixed result sa trading. No? But on the average, no, na-probe na po ito na kayang mabigay sa atin ng 17.5% per month. So nakita natin dito yung type of transaction, naka-auto reinvest. It means the profit is compounded, no, every day. But if you choose not to compound, no, ang kita mo $50 to $74 per day, ibig sabihin, pwede ka mag-withdraw every day. Why? Kasi ang minimum withdrawal natin is only $25. Diba? So, again, this is the only boat we have right now na merong compounding features, no? That can double your money in as fast as 5 months, can times five your money in a year. So, very smart product po ito. And yun, mayroon itong profit calculator. So once you have an account, no, pwede kayong mag-login sa system nyo, hanapin po ninyo yung profit calculator. If you invest, if nilagay mo dito 10,000 amount and you compound it, you turn on the compound interest and the period is 2 years, guys, after 2 years, your $10,000 will become 461,962 US dollars. Provided na maintain ng AXI ang 17.5% per month. Diba? So kung tataas yan, mas tataas pa to. Kung medyo mababa ng konti, it will also lower down. Okay? And that's the power of compounding. Now, if after naka-invest ka na ng nakalagay ka na ng kapital doon sa AXI at gusto mong mag-try din dito, itong aggressive strategy natin, the minimum for this is $250. No? $250 yung minimum capital dito. And last 30 days, ang profit niya is 30%. You can withdraw every week. You can withdraw every month kasi wala itong compounding features. No? So, if you ask me, no, anong product? First, AXEI, minimum 100. If you can put up higher, mas maganda. And then you can also try to use this Nero agent. Okay? To get started. So, dalawa. So, pili kayong gumamit ng dalawang agent muna, no? Yung isa gagamitin mo for compounding for long term, yung isa gamitin mo for withdrawing, no, every month or every week. Okay? So, ito napakagandang question na to. Can I make money without recruitment? Kasi napaka-valid na tanong yan. So, pwede ba akong kumita without recruitment? Definitely yes. Okay? You can be just a client of Oro Foundation. No, gamitin mo lang yung mga products natin for you to make money. Okay? So, in fact, when you use our product and when you put up a capital doon sa mga products natin, you become an investor. So, as an investor, no, you make your money makes money for you. Option mo na yan yung mag-share ka ng opportunity. It's your option, no? So this is the real company na may product na talagang magbigay sa atin ng income kahit hindi tayo mag-recruit. So mean to say, recruitment is not necessary. But of course, kung gusto mong palakihin mo yung portfolio mo, no, gusto ka makatulong sa iba, no? Pwede ka ring mag-partner like us, no? You will help us promote the product of Orom. Kasi sabi ni Warren Buffett, guys, no? If you didn't find a way to make money while you sleep, we will work until we die. No? Totoo naman yan. Kasi kahit abot pa tayo ng 80, 90 years old, if God will allow that, no? Kailangan pa nating kumain. Kailangan nating suportahan yung ating daily needs. So if you have an instrument, no? An investment dito sa Orom, no? Malaking bagay yan kasi kikita ka dito hindi lang every month but every day. Okay, so how can I withdraw? So paano ako makapag-withdraw ng kita ko dito sa Orom? Guys, napakadali. Sa back office natin, may makikita tayo na withdraw button. You just click on the withdraw button and then since USDT yung payout natin, so just place your USDT address dito sa wallet address box, no? So, kung meron kang Binance, pwede mo ilagay dito yung wallet mo sa Binance, sa CoinSpeech, or GCash, no? Even GCash, no? You can get your wallet address doon sa GCash. Okay? So, may mga naka-withdraw na ba? Yes, guys, no? Sila si Sir Mars Lobido and Sir Mars and Jenny Lobido. No? They keep on withdrawing almost every week. No? And these are the examples of their withdrawal. Minsan mag-withdraw sila ng 10,000, ng 4,000, ng $5,000, ng $500, no? And so on and so forth. And these withdrawals are my proof, no? Itong figures or codes sa right side, ito po ang tinatawag natin na transaction hash. Transaction hash is i-record sa blockchain, no? Makikita natin na successful yung withdrawal. Okay? So, what are the risks involved? Ano ba yung risk natin dito sa our foundation? Guys, since nasa finance industry tayo, risk is always there. Pero ang napagaganda lang, ang risk of being scam, yung risk go na ma-scam tayo, hindi mangyayari yan dito sa Aurum Foundation. Kasi the company is legit, the company is registered, the people running the company is legit, and they have the experience. So, ang risk lang natin dito minimal, no? Yung mga minimal or natural risk na mayroon yung every company, no? Every company has its own risk. Di ba? So, tapos na tayo sa first part about being a client. So yung first part natin is i-client lang, i-client base. So the second part is the Aurum Partner Program. So if you want also to earn by referring someone, mga friends natin dito sa Aurum, bakit pa natin hindi sila ma-share ng ating opportunity na this opportunity is to help them make money. At lahat ng mga tao kailangan ng pera, no? Kailangan ng pera ngayon sa sobrang mahal ng gasolina, sa sobrang mahal ng mga bilihin, kailangan natin ng extra income. At dito sa Aurum, no, you name the price. Pwede ka kumita ng extra at pwede ka rin kikita ng full-time beyond your imagination. Okay, so welcome to Aurum Partner Program. So dito sa Aurum Partner Program, no, meron tayong 5 ways to earn, no? For those who want to become a partner. Meron tayong direct sales up to 18.5%. Direct sale is direct commission or referral commission. Nag-start yun at 3%. Okay, so kita yan from your personal direct. Yung team sales mo or team commission mo, that is an override kung mayroon kang team. So magkaroon ka lang ng team, no, pag yung mga directs mo, nagde-direct din, no? So meron kang override doon sa sales nila. And then third, ang extra bonus. Sobrang laki ng extra bonus na to. And then profit share. No guys, the profit share is override. Ito po ay override from your team's profit. No? So, discuss natin yan in the next slide. And the last one is the shareholder bonus. The shareholder bonus, guys, is a profit of the company. No? A percentage of profit ng company will be shared sa lahat ng mga nag-qualify. No? It is to be given every quarter. So, simulan natin. Now, when you join Aurum, your first level, the first level is NOVA. NOVA means beginner. Ang commission mo dito is 3%. So, halimbawa, si Coach Lorna na-refer si Ma'am Maria. Si Ma'am Maria nag-put up ng $1,000. So, Coach Lorna earns $30 kasi 3% yan. And then, Ma'am Maria turn on the compounding button. So, means yung kita niya every month, binalik sa kapital. So, every time nag-compound si Ma'am Maria, Coach Lorna earn another 3%. Now, once Ma'am Maria decided to add the trading capital, naglagay siya ulit ng another 1,000, no? Coach Lorna earns another 3%. So lahat ng mga direct mo, kikita ka sa pag-top up nila, kikita ka sa reinvestment nila, kikita ka sa top up nila. Okay? But once you hit the rank of Voyager, ang kailangan mo lang dito is $7,500 na trading capital sa team mo. Hindi kasama yung personal trading capital mo. Pag umabot yan ng 7,500 trading capital, your direct commission becomes 5%. So every time may pasok ka na bago, 5% na yung commission mo. And then since may team ka na 3%er, so yung mga 3%er na mga team mo, pag nagpasok din sila, mayroon kang 2% dyan. The difference between 5 and 3% is 2%. Yun po yung tinatawag natin na team sales. Okay? And then kailangan lang na requirement mo dito sa personal trading account mo is $100 and you will get a reward of $100. At dito mag-start yung profit from the team's profit. So for example, yung profit mo nag-earn ng $1,000 a month. So meron kang $50 per month na profit override. Pag umabot ng $25,000 ng ang trading capital sa team mo, maging 70% yung percentage mo, okay? You will get $500 na reward at maging 7.5% yung team from your profit. Okay? And then, once umabot ng 62,500 ang trading capital sa team volume mo, 5% na yung percentage mo, you will get $1,000 na reward at yung profit from the team's profit is 10%. So can you imagine guys kung ang daming team na kumikita ng $10,000 per month. What is 10% of $10,000 per month? That's $1,000 profit override. No? So once your volume capital sa team umabot ng 125,000, your percentage commission will become 10.5. You will get a reward of $2,000. Maging 12.5% na yung team override from your team's profit. And once your volume hits $250,000, maging 12% ka, and you will get another reward of $5,000. Mag 15% na yung team profit mo na override from the teams. At dito mag-start sa Oracle rank ang shareholder bonus na 0.15%. So 0.15% of the company's total profit. No? And once your volume will hit $625,000, your commission will become 13.5%. No? You will get $10,000 reward. And your profits from the team's profit is 17.5%. And your shareholder bonus will be 2.2% of the entire company profit every quarter. At hindi lang tayo nag-end sa prime. The next rank is elite. Diretso na tayo sa reward. Ang reward ng elite is $20,000. Ang reward ng magnate is $50,000. Ang reward ng mythos is $100,000. Ang reward ng Aurum Legion is $150,000. Ang reward ng Dominion is $500,000. $1 million. Guys, $1 million. Sa experience ko sa network marketing industry, hindi pa ako nakakita ng company na nagbibigay ng $1 million in rewards. No? Now, once you hit Pantheon, that's $2 million reward. Alpha is $3 million reward. Siguro you might be asking, Coach Romel, may mga naka-achieve naman sa mga rank na yan. I'm already 2 months dito sa business. I hit the first rank. I'm already a Voyager. Nakuha natin yung $100 straight pasok agad sa account natin. Pati yung sponsor ko, si Coach Superly, $100 pasok sa account natin. Yung sponsor ng sponsor ko is si Vanguard Pro. No? Vanguard Pro, nakatanggap na po siya ng 100, 500, saka $1,000. No? Kasi $1,000 yung reward ng Vanguard Pro and she's going to hit Nexus. And the reward for Nexus is $2,000. Patuloy tayo dito. Our sponsor, our mentor, ang nagdala ng Aurum Foundation sa Pilipinas is itong couple na to, si Sir Mars and Jeannie Lobido. And In April, dito sila sa Pilipinas, sa Cebu. And then by that time, guys, nahit nila mag-asawa both ang magnat level. So silang dalawa magnat. Magnat si Ma'am Zini, magnat din si Sir Mars, and each of them receive $50,000 reward. At yung sponsor naman nila, si Soman, a Singaporean, yung level nila at that time is legend, and he received $150,000 in rewards alone. And the sponsor of Zoman is HP Youth Poll from Ireland. Ang label niya as of today is Pantheon, and he received already that $2 million reward. And lastly, the upline of HP is Simon Smith from Germany. He is the first Alpha member dito sa Aurum Foundation, and he just get his $3 million reward. Wow. Diba? Grabe. That's $3 million reward. Now, so if you make a summary or a total of the rank up bonus na pwede nating matanggap once we hit the rank up alpha, guys, that's $6.8 million. At itong $6.8 million, nakuha na yan. Nakuha na yan ni Tom Smith. No? Nakuha na yan. So somebody already hit that rank alpha. No? Sa Pilipinas, ang bago pa natin, guys. So siguro 1 to 2 years from now, pwede natin makuha yung rank alpha na yan. So this total bonus of $6.8 million, hindi kasama yung direct sales bonus dyan. Hindi kasama yung profit sharing bonus dyan. Hindi kasama yung shareholders bonus dyan. Lalong hindi kasama yung income natin from our own trading. Di ba? So napakaganda ng kompla nila. And before I forget, no, kailangan natin ng 3 legs because so we made a study about the Complan, kung paano mo ba ma-hit yung pinakamataas na rank. So kailangan mo ng 3 legs or 3 directs. Kaya ang payo natin, guys, for us to hit the rank of alpha is napakasimple lang. Once you join alpha, Aurum, and you want to become a partner, kasi option natin yan yung partner, ha? If you want to be a partner and you want to hit alpha ASAP, ang sikreto is get your first 3 clients and partners in 1 month kung pwede. At kung mayroon kayong more than 3, ilagay mo yan sa ilalim, ibigay mo na. Guys, for perfect duplication, pwede natin kuha ang alpha rank in just 14 months. 14 months lang. On perfect. Kung 50% duplication, makuha natin yung alpha in 28 months. Kung 25% duplication, makuha natin yung alpha in 56 months. But still, makukuha pa rin natin. Di ba? So, yung video na to, guys, panoorin nyo. This video is this is a video showing us na pwede pala ma-withdraw natin yung crypto natin dito.
Everyone, good morning. I'm here right now in DPI. New Zealand here, and I'm gonna test this Aurum card, Visa card. Come on. So what we're gonna do is we will withdraw. Okay, we will withdraw. Start in, and it's gonna be asking PIN. So again, this card contains crypto asset. So I'm gonna withdraw 10,000, and it's savings. So I just commanded for this are a $250 fee for that 10,000. So yes, and let's see what will happen. So take the card out and say, get your card. What? Look. So I got another 10,000. Gonna withdraw again, everyone. Okay, he opened. Everyone, we're trying to use this card right now here in department store. So Uniqlo for me.
Can you interpret that? And then press green button.
Green
Pwede pa ba nagpress
so
You can move your card, sir.
one.
70,148.
Everyone, it works. In the bank, department store, wherever you go, all of the card. Everyone, we're trying.
So guys, yung dalawang video na nakita natin. The first one is the withdrawal. Nag-withdraw po ng sorry, binawian tayo ng boses. So the first video is withdrawal of crypto asset from the BPI Bank. So it works. Yung pangalawang video naman is binayad yung crypto doon sa department store. So it works. So yun lang po yung mga few examples of using the card. Now, we're going to end na po. So pa-closing na po tayo. And ito po yung 5 reasons why we need to join our own foundation. No? These are the 5 reasons. Tinatawag po ito nila na 5 pillars of success. No? The first one, okay, number 1 guys, now listen to this. We are into the right industry. So anong industry ba pinasukan natin or papasukan natin? We are in the crypto industry. No? This is the new money. No? Tinatawag yan na CB Christian Central Bank Crypto Currency. So CB CC. No? So and we are now into this future of digital currency, and then another industry is yung artificial intelligence. No? So nandito ngayon sa technology. So right industry, hindi po tayo sa industry na patapos na or palaos na. Then number 2, we are at the right company. No? So kung papasok tayo sa mga investment company, dapat we need to make sure na there is a company registration anywhere in the world. Ang importante, mayroon silang registration because the registration is a commitment. Guys, hindi basta-basta kukuha ng mga license outside the Philippines. Especially kung positioning ng company is a global market. Now, if someone will recruit you and then they will see wala kaming office, yung presentation natin table talk lang. Okay? And then alam naman natin na walang investment na tatagal. Sinong magtagal kung walang registration? Di ba? So, if they cannot afford to register somewhere else, and that is mean they're going to collapse or they're going to run someday. Di ba? So guys, never invest in a company na walang registration. Maliban lang kung gusto mo talagang magrisgo. No, kung magrisgo ka, paunahan yan kung sino yung unang mag-exit. If you can exit early before the company does. No? So, napakalaki ng risk pag ang company ay walang registration. But maybe you will asking, but mayroon bang registration ang ang Aurum sa Pilipinas? Wala pa. Pero sa ibang bansa, meron ng 4 registration. So, what if worst comes worst? Romel, worst comes worst, pipigilan tayo ng Philippine government to solicit or to promote, no? Aurum product sa mga Pilipino. Pipigilan natin yung Pilipino na kumikita kasi ano yan sa government. So, the worst case na magawa ng government, they will block Aurum's website. They will block. But they cannot close. So bakit ba nila i-close na wala namang registration sa Philippines? They will block the website at mayroon tayong paraan dyan. We will use the VPN. And right now, mga Pilipino in the US, they're using VPN. So still, our business is alive. I-compare mo yan guys sa mga companies nandito sa Pilipinas na walang registration. No, kung may magreklamo sa mga companies na yan, the government will shut them down. At din kung may-ari mga Pinoy, yari. Di ba? Wala nang access, tapos na yung business. At possibly pa, they will uh, maging ano sila, sasabihin nila na pilitan nating i-close ang business natin kasi yung government na yung kalaban natin. Magaling na exit strategy yan. Di ba? So, never join a company pag walang registration kasi delikado yan. Pag lumakas yan, masasara yan. Di ba? So, bakit pa tayo magrisgo? No? I think tapos na yung mga days na nagre-risk tayo. Pangatlo, right leadership. Guys, Binance is the #1 crypto platform in the whole world at ang CEO natin galing sa Binance. So, alam ni Brian Binson how to make a company to become a fintech unicorn. Di ba? And it's not only Brian Binson running the business. We have Andrew Isaacs, we have Ahmad Zain, we have Shane Moran, we have Nick Patel. No, those people are top caliber people. No, it is not run by one person. 35 of them with 12 years of experience sa field nila. At pwede nating ma-verify lahat yan. Number 4, right products. Guys, for me, tapos na yung mga supplement products. No? Mga network marketing na naka-base sa mga products. Swerte yung sa atin sa Kiko natin guys, membership. Kaya we position our sa Kiko business as a membership company. Kasi gusto nating mag-provide ng very affordable products sa lahat ng mga Pilipino na walang markup kasi walang patong na kumplan doon sa products natin. At nakikita niyo, sa Kiko is a membership club. Aurum Foundation is also a membership club. Kasi hindi nila binibinta ng Aurum ang products nila. We can use the product for free as long as nag-subscribe tayo. Just like our sa Kiko business. So right products. Kung mayroon kang $100 ngayon, ilagay mo sa typical network marketing na company. Bibigyan ka ng $100 worth of product. Pero guys, ang product worth niyan is nasa nasa $10 lang. Naging $100 yan kasi may markup, may kumplan. Okay? So, I'm not saying na we don't use supplementation. Gagamit tayo ng supplementation, guys. Okay, mayroon tayong sa Kiko kasi kailangan natin ng supplementation ngayon. So, if you want the supplements, why join the business kung pwede kang maging customer lang? No? So, instead of putting your $100 doon sa network marketing company na product base, ilagay mo na lang dito, kita mo, ibili mo ng product nila. Di ba? Magpa-member ka for the purpose na you can access the products at the lowest price. Pero dito ka nag-business sa